Although we've traditionally seen more extensive speaker systems by Edifier, the company's new MP200 takes it in a different direction with a colorful and fun sub-$50 speaker that's ultra-portable, splash-proof, and provides not only Bluetooth capabilities but also micro SD card and USB playback, all packed into a 2-inch cube that's surprisingly comfortable to hold in your hand. The MP200 is available in 7 colors, including black and white and somewhat muted light green and light blue, in addition to more colorful blue, orange, and green options. The package includes a USB to micro USB cable and a pre-attached lanyard that appears designed to be left attached, although it is possible to remove it if you really want to. The front of the MP200 features a 2-inch 5.5-watt driver that puts out surprisingly loud sound for a speaker of its size. The outer casing is also remarkably smooth and feels great in the hand. The MP200 is IP54 rated, meaning it's dust-proof and splash-proof, but not waterproof. The micro USB port is used for charging the MP200. However, no power adapter is included, so you'll need to supply your own USB power source, although to be fair, it's not an unreasonable omission for a $35 speaker. Edifier promises up to 12 hours of playback time over Bluetooth on a single charge.